Alright guys, so I just got my oil pan and timing cover kit from Holley in the mail for my 7.3 Godzilla that's going in the Foxbody, and holy crap is an understatement on what they include with this kit. So here's the list of everything included. Obviously the main thing is the oil pan is shallower than the stock truck one, so it fits better in a car. Application, timing cover, it's a nice cast aluminum unit, but this kit comes with everything. I mean, it's a water pump, oil pump, dipstick, cooler port block off plate for the oil cooler, crank seal installation tool, I mean, oil pan baffle, windage tray. This kit comes with a lot of stuff. If you guys are looking at doing a Godzilla swap in anything, I highly recommend this kit so far. It all looks like real nice stuff, and Holley usually has good quality stuff. So I'm excited to get this all together on the engine, fit it up, and then get it fitted in the car.